How to change password in Windows 11. So to start, we'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen and then simply tap on the search icon. After that, we'll have to type settings. Once you see settings, tap on the open option. So under settings, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on this accounts option. Under accounts, we'll have to scroll down until you see this sign in options. Tap on this one. After that, it will show you all the ways how you can sign into your laptop or PC. So all you need to do is to select what sign-in method that you are using on your laptop or PC. As for me, I'm using pen, so I'm gonna tap on this one. After that, you will see this option, change your PIN. On the right side, tap on the change PIN option. So in here, we'll be asked to input our old PIN. After that, we'll have to type our new PIN and then simply confirm your new PIN. If you want to include letters and symbols, simply tap on this box here. But as for me, I'm not going to add any symbols or letter, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Once I'm done typing my new PIN, we'll have to tap on this OK option. After that, it will automatically change the password or PIN that I'm using on my laptop or PC. So that's how easy we can change password in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.